is some more news that we're getting for our viewers right now, and let's just quickly have a look at that as we speak. The opposition, what we're learning, has targeted the centre over the UGC-NET compromise that's happened. The Congress is one of the first parties to react. It is said that first the NEET exam, now the NET has been compromised. The Congress has also said that the Modi government is playing with the future of the youth, whereas the Aam Aadmi Party has also jumped on to the controversy and said that irregularities in every paper under the BJP government is a matter of concern. So the opposition not wasting any time. The news just broke and now you see the opposition is already at it. Priyanka Chaturvedi joining me for more on this. Priyanka, the fact that it's happened in succession, it is happening in such quick time, it indicates that somewhere, whether the government admits it or not, the fact that it is happening in such quick succession, it does indicate to the fact that there are lapses over there that need to be addressed and the future of the students cannot be played with.
Absolutely. Today the youth of the country faces two dilemmas. Once they graduate, they have no job, and those who are undergraduates do not get a fair exam. It is so unfortunate that we have been repeatedly screaming our lungs out, asking for accountability from the Education Minister, from the NTA. Various instances of paper leak have happened. Thousands and lakhs of students who work throughout the years, prepare for these exams throughout the year, undergo this kind of a mental trauma where the exams, after having given these exams, they get cancelled, or after giving these exams, they get to know that the papers have leaked. I think the government has totally brushed aside any responsibility, any accountability, and I think we are living in an era of education emergency. The youth of this country who believes in India's academic abilities, wants its dreams to be fulfilled by these Indian academies, are today facing an education emergency because of a government which is not sensitive enough to their future.
As far as a reaction from the government is concerned, at this point, what is it, as one of the opposition parties, would you like to see as an immediate reaction to this, to the breakout of the story now?
No, the immediate reaction, if the government holds itself accountable and believes that they are investing in the future generations and the young of this country and their future and their careers, then they would ask for accountability from the government itself. Who is handling this ministry? The same person who was handling it in the earlier term, they have come with a less than majority numbers. There has been a message that has come out from the youth of this country. There's a message that people of the country have sent to the Prime Minister. Yet if he does a Pariksha Pe Charcha at almost every year, will he commit to the people of this country, especially the young, that he will give them a fair chance at a transparent Pariksha? That is the main question. Accountability needs to come from the top, which is clearly missing, or the intent also.
Also, the fact that there is a CBI inquiry ordered now, you know, we don't see this very often happen in the country. A CBI inquiry has now been ordered by the centre itself. How do you look at that particular move by the centre? Admission of guilt, or would you say something otherwise?
No, they have categorically stated that they are unable to provide a fair and transparent chance for students to appear for the exams. And this is something that I had demanded for the NEET paper leak as well. They totally disregarded the Bihar police investigation. They totally disregarded their economic offences wing, giving them this feedback that there has been a paper leak as far as NEET exams were concerned. And they have apprehended 12 people who are accused, yet no CBI inquiry done, no accountability sought. Dharmendra Pradhan brushing it off. Dharmendra Pradhan has been arrogantly and brazenly continuing to disregard the concerns of the youth, and that is a problem. So this CBI inquiry is actually an indicator of the government's absolute failure to try and give the children the opportunity that they work hard for and the career choices that they make.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, let me thank you for sharing your thoughts with us. The opposition clearly up in arms as the future of the students is in question right now.